Hello everyone, this is Watch Exploration. Today's video we are here to talk about the Longines 4-pin moon phase from the AF factory. Why do I talk about this watch today? This is the time of the month. In fact, this watch is a popular watch model, but the F factory. It now has a 40mm diameter, but it used to be 42mm. The previous F factory's forehand moon phase was just but now, I found that the F factory, it's doing very well. What are the points that it has done well? The first point is the front of the moon phase disc is no longer brushed, but a polished surface on the APS can't be made on the APS. This is the first point. The second point is the back of it. There is a calibration mark, which is the escapement below the balance wheel. These 2 points are that the big factories can't produce. It's not that big factories can't make it, but those big factories don't do it. But this F factory can make it, and the F factory has a very high cost performance. These 3 points can beat all the versions on the market. Let's take a closer look at its details. Let's start with the front. We all know that before was made by APS factory. But many people have found that its front side there is a brushed texture here, but this watch, it doesn't have much wire drawing. It's polished, but the side angle can still be seen a little rough. But this one is better than the IPS factories. The brush details are better than that of IPS. Its front side, look at the texture of the dial. These are all done right. The pointer is a turquoise blue. The steel needle is black on the front, and the side is a dark blue. This is also done right. And its back. Look at this watch. Is modified from a Seagull 2892 movement. It's a 1899 movement. Here is a better place. Is that under the balance wheel? There is a calibration mark. But APS factory doesn't have a calibration mark, so the F factory does a better job. The only thing that, what is the place where you can tell the difference between the real and fake? It has 2 card positions here. But the original one only has 1. This one is superfluous no matter what factory. There is an extra card degree adjustment here. So here is an area where it's easy to distinguish between real and fake. In fact, overall, this watch, the details of each aspect are very good. The most important thing is that F factory focuses on cost effectiveness. Its price, it is also cheaper than APS, is $200 cheaper. So the details of the watch from the F factory are very good. One last thing is that the warranty card. It is a blank warranty card. APS factory doesn't have a warranty card. It's warranty card, and not in line with the version. Even if there is a warranty card, it is not correct. This warranty card is the right version, and it's a blank warranty card. You can fill it in yourself, where you bought it, which makes it look very real. The code on the warranty card is aligned with the code of the watch. This point is actually very good. So now, choose the F factory for the Longines World Moon phase, instead of the previous ATS factory. So today's video, I'll stop here. I also thank all friends for watching and supporting this video.